Hey everyone, it's Mrs. Paul again. I'm going to show you how to upload your sound files into Audacity to get started. So once again, you would go to this little icon, Sound Editor. Once you're in the Sound Editor, you're going to go to File, Import Local Sound File. You're going to choose the file because you've already saved it to your computer, hopefully. And I saved it in a sound recording folder, and I'm just going to open it here. Click on it, and you're going to hit Import Audio. And that was pretty quick. It uploaded it pretty fast. Sometimes it's going to do it slower than others. You can import another one because you'll have 4 raw recordings. So I'm going to import my second one. And you're going to do the same thing, import audio. And they're going to be, the first recording's right here. The second recording is down here. So then you're going to have to use your toolbar to move them over and start editing them. But right now, this one will play first, and then this one will play. But if they were overlapping like this, they would play on top of each other. So once you start editing, you're going to start figuring all that out. But this is just how to import them right now. And there you go.